Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to get A2P verified on Close CRM so you can send high-volume SMS messages without getting blocked or flagged. Perfect for sales outreach or customer communication. First off, log into your Close CRM account and go to Settings greater than Phone and SMS. Look for the A2P verification option. This is required if you're sending a lot of business SMS through Close CRM. Here's a pro tip. Have your business info ready, including name, address, tax ID, and message templates. Fill out the A2P registration form. Include your use case, expected message volume, and how contacts opt in. Verify your phone number ownership. Close CRM may ask for proof that you control the number being used. Don't forget to submit supporting documents like a business license or website proof to speed up approval. Once done, wait for confirmation. Most verifications take 1 to 3 business days, so should you feel stuck with message limits? Not anymore. With A2P verification done, you'll enjoy better deliverability and smoother texting. Let me know in the comments if you've tried A2P verification with Close CRM and how it worked for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.